Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. In today's session, we will be discussing a C++ program to find the cube of a given number using the concept called as an inline function. First of all, what do you mean by the term called as inline function? The definition says that inline is a special function whose body is inserted at the place of its call is called as inline function. Once again, I'll repeat the same definition. Inline function is a special function whose body is inserted at the place of its call is called as an inline function. Have a look at this program. The program begins with the two beautiful header files. The first one is hash include within the angular bracket iostream.h stands for input output stream header file. Second one is hash include within the angular bracket conio.h stands for console input output header file. In this program, we have made use of the parameterized constructor. There you can see here, this is what the parameterized constructor and this is what the inline function. So as you all are aware of a constructor, constructor is a special member function of a class that is executed whenever an object of that class is created. There are three different types of constructor we'll come across: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. So here we have made use of parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor means that is which accept one or more than one argument. Which accept one or more than one argument is called as a parameterized constructor. Okay. Some data members were declared here. Okay. What is the name of class? Class name is assign. Fine. So as we all know that C++ program execution starts from which particular line? Void main function. Okay. So void main function, open flower bracket. The next line, we have declared one variable that is the variable name is n, and n is of type integer variable. Then comes CLRSCR, stands for clear screen function. Then comes a cout statement, cout stream insertion within the double quotation, enter number. This statement is asking me to please provide an integer number. So we will input a number called as 5. Let us assume that we are inputting a number that is 5. 5 is stored in which variable? N variable. Okay. The next line is very much important. Have a look at this. Assign one blank space, capital N of n. Okay. Assign is a name of the class. Assign is a name of the class. Capital N is an user defined object. Capital N is an user defined object. Do remember, once again, I'll repeat. Assign is the name of the class. Capital N is an user defined object with an argument n. Previously, we have accepted the value n. Previously, we have accepted n. Okay. Let us assume that n is 5. Okay. Assign capital N of n. Once the object is created, do remember, once the object is created, directly it hits to the parameterized constructor. Once you create an object, directly it comes to the constructor member function. Assign open parenthesis int nn. What value has been carrying from this main function to this constructor member function? 5. 5 is carrying from this main function to this constructor member function. 5 is copied to which variable? Nn variable. Okay. In the next line, open flower bracket. Yes, n is equal to nn. So 5 is assigned to which variable now? N. Do remember. Okay. Now n is equals to 5. After that, again, this is what int cube function. Okay. This is nothing but just declaration of a cube function. This cube function is going to return what type of value? An integer value. Next line. Again, it comes back to the void main section to execute cout statement. Cout stream insertion within the double quotation. Cube of will print as it is because that is written in double quotation. Okay. Stream insertion small n. So here it is going to print its value. That is nothing but a 5. Okay. Stream insertion within the double quotation equal to sign will print. Okay. Then comes next n dot cube function. N is an object name, dot is the member access operator, cube is a function name. So directly it comes to this particular line. Inline, one blank space, int is the return type specifier, assign is the name of class. These two colons are called as a scope resolution operator because we are defining this function outside the class. That is why we are making use of the scope resolution operator. Cube is a function name, open flower bracket, return n into n into n. What is the value of n here in the constructor? 5. Okay, 5 into 5 into 5 multiplied with 3 times. Okay, we'll be getting the answer as 125. 125 will be sent back to the this main function. Here it is going to print the answer. Cube of 5 is equals to 125. After that, get. You know the function of get. Once you finish the whole program, you will compile for errors. If no errors means we'll be getting the message as success. Then you will go for executing a program. There you will execute the program, will be displaying a message, enter number. There you are inputting 5. Once you press the enter key, you won't see your program. You will be getting the output there itself without coming back to the programming screen. For that purpose, we will make use of this get function. Okay, this close flower bracket indicates end of C++ program. Have a look at the output. So enter number. We have inputted as 5 and got the answer as cube of 5 is equals to 125. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. This is what a simple C++ program to find the cube of a given number using the concept called as a inline function. Once again, the definition: inline is a special function whose body is inserted at the place of its call is called as inline function. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.